Welcome back. The Horticulture Corporation retail outlets across the state are facing a lot of problems as the quality of imported vegetables is substandard. The horticulture retailers from South Goa marched on to the Panji headquarters on Tuesday with complaints of poor and untimely supply of vegetables. Chairman of Corporation Kiran Kandolkar has assured the aggrieved horticulture vendors that he will initiate inquiry into the supply chain.
The horticulture vendors from South Goa held a meet in Panji to discuss their problems. They have listed and reported the problems to the newly appointed chairman.
क्वालिटी एकदम बाबत येता कांदो जर सारको फुटबॉला इतलो मोठो येता तो जर घरा कोण वरच ना आनी आमचे ते 2-3 बटाट येता सांकट जे जाय पळय म्हळ्यार तेंगे अशी पिक्चर येता की जे लोकल मार्केटां वचना ते आमकां घालता बटाट जावं कांदा एक वेळार बटाट अशे येता किडी पडलेले
आमकां भाजी कितल्या कडेन जाती ना त्या टायमाचेर आमचे गव्हर्नमेंट हाजेर कितें तरी क्वॉलिटी आमचे बद्दल
मिरसांग बरोबर हाती काडटाय गिरायक काडटाय सगळी विचून काडटाय रेस्ट खूब पडटा मागीर चोवपाक गेल्यार पूण हांव विचून दिना म्हण थिंग दुसरी को गेल्यार तो विचून दिता तो कितें म्हणटा तें विचून मेळना तो आमकां विचून दिता अशें जाता खूब लॉस जाता सर
गाडी लेट जाता आमकां वास्को मांगोर कासावली टू गांधीनगर एक दीस गाडी आमकां बेगीन येना चुकोन केन्नाय बेगीन येता आनी आमी त्या सुपरवायझरा विचारलें बाबा तूं असो सदींच कित्याक लेट येता केन्नाय उठोन लेट जालो एक सोड खबर 2 दीस तो कितें म्हणटा तुमी कंप्लेन करा म्हणटा 20 तारखेर सप्लाय करता पळय तुमचेच कोण ऑफिसर हांगसरलो ताका लागून आपल्याक टायम जाता म्हणटा थंय 1.5 ते 2 वर वयता बिट्सांव.
Chairman Kiran Kandolkar assured the vendors that the problems would be solved after a thorough inquiry.
क्वॉलिटी बद्दल जे आहा तुरंत तरी जावचें ना पूण आतां रोखडेंच न्हू हांव तुमकां इतलें एश्युरन्स दिता की हेच्या फुडली जी आयज कितें रूट म्हणून जी सिस्टम आहा थंयसरूच माल पॅक करता थंयसरूच धाडटा आमचो एक सुपरवायझर आसता ही सगळी आमी बंद करतले आनी भाजी हाडून आमी डायरेक्ट आमी मागोवन आमचे मे बी आमचे कॉर्पोरेशनाचे मनीस वचून विकत घेतले वो थंयसर सप्लाय आमी करूंक लायतले ताचेर मागीर विचार जातलो पूण मोस्टली आमी भाजी हाडून आमच्या महामंडळाच्या गाडयांच्या थ्रू आमी दितले.
Our video journalist Omkar Falari with Sammy Gonsalves.
Now news from sports. Sports Authority of Goa Executive Director Elvis Gomes summoned the Goa Basketball Association President C. Vaz and Secretary Shekhar Jain late Tuesday evening. Elvis Gomes told Prudent he has called the other warring party who have been critical of the present body to form an ad hoc committee. Nominating a president from within the ad hoc committee and fresh elections to be conducted in the next 6 months is what Elvis has suggested.
We had recently sub-junior nationals, and during the nationals several representations had come to me, which I kept on the back burner intentionally because I didn't want to vitiate the nationals that were being held in Goa. After the tournament, I had made it a point that I would call them, and today they have come and had a very cordial meeting with me. They have explained their viewpoint, and having understood that, whoever is opposed to them, I have to call them now and bring about a reconciliation. Because the government is very keen that sports culture spreads everywhere, and basketball, which was once in the forefront, has been relegated now to the background. Maybe thanks to this kind of politics or dissensions within the associations. But now is the time to overcome all that and bring them together.
But can SAG directly interfere if they see enough of reason?
I have no reason to interfere directly, but the fact is, is the future of the youth, and when it comes to the future of the youth of the state, the government is concerned, and as a representative of the government, we will ensure that their future is not jeopardized because of the dissensions within these associations.
Okay. So could there be some fresh elections if that is the call of the day? Because
I would recommend right now an ad hoc committee.
Okay.
Wherein representations are given to everyone, and then maybe in a time frame of maybe 6 months elections are held, because elections have not been held for the past 10 years in this association. So there should be some inner democracy. I am not praising GFA, but you see, they can take cue from Goa Football Association, where elections are held very regularly, once in 4 years, and things go very smoothly. So these associations also should look forward and do this kind of things within their associations. Directly, the government is not interfering, I am repeating.
Okay.
but we are using our offices to bring about a rapprochement.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Kampal.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.